Hello everyone, this is Teacher Juvie and I will be your guide for today's lesson.
Our topic for today is describing the attributes or properties of triangles and quadrilaterals using concrete objects and models. Let us read the situation. Josie has a 6-year-old baby sister who had much toys. In this pandemic time, her mother told her to always check and play with her baby sister. The siblings happily spent the entire afternoon playing. After this moment, her sister made an even bigger mess. She calmly began packing up every single thing into her sister's toy box. Let us look at the toy box. So inside the toy box, we can see a dollhouse, an umbrella, a tablet, and Lego blocks. Okay, so dun sa mga toys na ating nakita, can you name the objects with 3 sides and 4 sides? So i-classify natin yung mga objects na may 3 sides. So, nakita natin yung roof of dollhouse, 3 sides siya. Diba? Then, ano pa yung nakita natin yung 3-sided objects? Meron tayong yung umbrella, 3 sides din siya. Okay, next naman, ang mga objects naman with 4 sides ay blocks, yung Lego blocks, and yung tablet. So, ano ngayon yung tawag natin dun sa mga object na may 4 sides and 3 sides? Okay, so we call them polygon. What is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure made up of several line segments that are joined together. And these line segments are called sides and do not cross each other. So, we have different kinds of polygons, but for now, magpo-focus lamang tayo sa dalawang types ng polygon, which is yung triangle and yung quadrilateral. So, let's find out the properties or attributes of these two polygons. Okay, so the first polygon that we will discuss is the triangle. So, what is a triangle? A triangle is a plane figure with 3 sides and 3 angles. So, I guess naman, familiar na kayo sa itsura ng triangle. Okay, so ganito ang triangle. Meron daw siyang 3 sides and 3 angles. So, yun lang tatandaan nyo. A triangle is a plane figure or a closed figure with 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, another polygon is a quadrilateral. Okay, so what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. So, kung ang triangle ay polygon na may 3 sides and 3 angles, ito namang quadrilateral ay meron siyang 4 sides and 4 angles. So, marami ring kinds ng quadrilateral. Okay, so siguro lagi nyo lang nakikita ang quadrilateral, yung rectangle and square. Pero meron tayong iba't ibang uri ng quadrilaterals. So, yan. Basta may nakita kayong figure or polygon na closed, then meron siyang 4 sides and 4 angles, we call them as quadrilateral. Okay, so let's have this activity wherein we're going to tell whether each figure is a triangle or quadrilateral. So again, ang triangle may 3 sides and 3 angles, while ang quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. So let's have the first figure or picture. So this is a slice of pizza. So this is a triangle. Okay, next is a refrigerator. So, what can you say about this figure? Is it a triangle or a quadrilateral? Okay, correct. So, this is a quadrilateral. Okay, how about this picture? Okay, so this is also a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay, next picture is, are you familiar with this picture or with this instrument? Yes, it is a triangle, and also ang tawag sa instrument na to ay triangle. Kaya siya tinawag na triangle. How about this picture? Is it a triangle or a quadrilateral? Yes, it is a quadrilateral. Okay, next activity. You're going to write true if the statement is correct, then false if it is wrong. Okay, first statement is all triangles have 3 sides and 3 angles. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. So, lahat ng triangles, meron 3 sides at may 3 angles. Next, triangles can be seen in different objects such as roofs, windows, and hats. Is it true or false? True. So, makikita natin ng triangle sa iba't ibang objects. Pwedeng yung bubong ng bahay, yung windows, pwedeng triangle, yung birthday hats, pwedeng triangle din yun, di ba? So, true siya. A square is an example of quadrilateral. True or false? Yes, it is true. Dahil ang square ay may 4 sides and 4 angles. Therefore, a square is a quadrilateral. Right angles can always be seen in any kind of quadrilateral. Is it true or false? The answer here is false. So, hindi laging right angles ang makikita natin sa quadrilaterals kasi pwedeng sa parallelogram or sa trapezoid and sa rhombus, makakita tayo ng obtuse and acute angle. So, hindi laging, tatandaan, hindi laging right angles ang makikita natin sa quadrilateral. Both triangle and quadrilateral are examples of polygons. True or false? Okay, true. So, dahil ang quadrilateral at triangle ay closed figure na binubuo or pinagdudugtong-dugtong ng mga line segments. So,
Thanks for watching this video. Hit like if you learned something from this video and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much.